Watch to the end of this video to find out how to bring your YouTube video back to life, or your non-performing video, give it a shot to perform, or your video that's decreased in performance, bring it back into the algorithm and give it a second life. Here's how you do it. Use YouTube Creator Studio Classic or Beta and create 2 to 3 thumbnails every single time that you create a video. That might sound ridiculous, but trust me, it works. Because here's what you're going to do. You're going to look at the click-through rate, otherwise known as the CTR, on your video with your first thumbnail. After your video either dies or decreases in performance, etc., then you're going to have thumbnail number 2 locked and loaded. Pop in thumbnail number 2 and hit save. If thumbnail number 2 performs better than thumbnail number 1, keep it and ride that growth wave indefinitely. Eventually, thumbnail number 2 is going to run out of juice, so then you're going to have thumbnail number 3 ready in the bank, already created, and you're going to test and see if that has a higher click-through rate than thumbnail number 2. If it does, ride the growth wave on thumbnail number 3 into infinity, etc. And do this indefinitely on your video. But here is a critical mistake that YouTubers make that you should avoid. Do not change your title, do not change your description, do not change your tags. That could potentially tank your video forever and irreparably damage your video, because that tells YouTube that this is kind of a different video and maybe you should break those view associations that were once there. Don't change that metadata, only change the thumbnails and bring that video back to life.